Is this our practice one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hi, Christine Sillo here. I'm a student at UF taking Principles of Entomology. We just covered plants and insects, and we talked about the 5 feeding guilds that insects have. There's chewing, which you see with like the monarch butterflies caterpillar stage, and they chew those leaves up on a milkweed. There's also sucking, which you see with the dipterans, like houseflies. They regurgitate onto the food and they liquefy it and they suck it up. Then you have leaf miners, also lepidopterans, the little, let me show you what that looks like. So can you see that right there? That's leaf mining. You see those on the leaves probably all the time. You might not even know what they are. You might think the leaf is just turning brown. When you see those little trails in the leaves, that's leaf mining, and that's the larva getting nutrition from the plant. There's also something else called boring, and that's really common with the acacia trees and the ants. Unfortunately, I don't have access to either the acacia tree or the ants that go with the acacia tree, so I'm not going to show you that. But what I think is really fascinating are the galls. So these insects are actually changing what plants do, and they form these tumor-like growths. I've never seen one like this before. We're going to cut some of these open and see if we can see what's inside, pull out what's inside. I'm not sure how that's going to go. I've never done it before, but we have a couple of really cool ones. This one here is pretty common. See these on oaks a lot. And then this type are also very common. I don't know what's causing all of these, but I do know that you can tell what species is doing this by looking at the type of gall that's formed and sometimes on the plant that is used. These look like these have already had whatever was in them erupt. There's like little openings coming out from them. So let's start cutting some open.